Hi, my name is Robin, and I want to walk you through what I love about this mop by Mr. Siga. So one of the things I love is how it telescopes down, and I can hang it so flat and nice in my laundry room. The mop comes with 3 of these little pads. It's got kind of a buffing side, polishing side that I'm showing you right now, and then it's got the blue scrubber side. And I've gone ahead and gotten it wet, and I'm here taking it off, but to put it on, it's the same principle, just backwards. So I can just go ahead and pop those little things that are just little hinge pieces. The base that the pad goes onto is just like a plastic kind of bumpy little thing, so it's really nice to work with. So when I wet it, I did wring it out, and then here I am in my bathroom. And the whole point for me of getting this was to get something that could go around the toilet easily, that had good surface area but was small enough. I could just get around the toilet really well. I have a bunch of sons, so that is good for me. That head articulates so well. I can get under my cabinet there, and so it's got it articulates to where it's almost flat. This Mr. Siga mop did an awesome job. It's a total winner, and I absolutely recommend it. Thanks.